Hi friends, today I am going to explain you about the aeronautical engineering and aircraft maintenance engineering, that is AME. This aeronautical or aerospace engineering is about designing and manufacturing of aircraft. Here the qualification required is BTech or MTech. But AME is about providing training for maintenance of aircraft. Its qualification is class 12th and class 10th plus a license issued by regulatory government authority of the country. In the case of class 10th, for that is European Union, that is EASA, who is a regulatory authority for issuing this certificate for licensing the AME engineers. Now I will explain what is aircraft maintenance engineering, that is AME. Aircraft maintenance engineering, we can call it guardians of the skies. In India, average salary for a aircraft mechanic or AME in India is 11.3 lakhs per year, that is around 94,000 per month. In other European countries, the salary packages for AME is $65,349 per year, that was assessed in 2021. The training for acquiring AME license in India is provided by institutes authorized by A, that is by DGCA, that is Government of India Regulatory Authority, and B by EASA, that is European Union Aviation Safety Agency, that is recognized worldwide including in India. Admissions are provided directly by the institutes if you approach to your appropriate institute. Thank you.